Have you ever tried moving a well-tested character Lora or prompt from Flux over to Quinn Image or SDXL only to be surprised that your character looks completely different, or at least has a noticeable variance? You even trained a Lora for both models using the exact same dataset, yet the results are still different. Although the hair and eye color match, the facial structure, lighting, skin texture, and the overall style of the image differ. This isn't a bad setting. This is model bias. From the perspective of image and video generation AIs, bias is the model's built-in aesthetic taste. When an AI is trained on millions of images, it doesn't just learn what a dog or a human is. It absorbs the entire visual culture of its training data. Handling colors and lighting. One model might lean toward high-contrast, cinematic lighting, while another prefers a softer, photorealistic style. Anatomy and facial features. Due to the composition of the training data, one AI might default to sharper, more defined facial structures, while another prefers softer, more symmetrical features. Spatial representation and lens effects. Some models natively render as if shot through a 35mm lens, while others operate with a completely different depth of field. Why is this critical in the world of character Loras and consistent characters? When you train a custom character Lora, for example on Flux, the Lora doesn't create an independent 3D model. It's merely a correction layer built on top of that base model's knowledge. Even if you train a separate Lora on another base model, like Quinn Image, using the same dataset, the fundamental aesthetic taste difference between the two models means your character will never look 100% identical. The new base model will always filter your character's traits through its own bias. The same applies to video generation models. Motion dynamics, camera movement styles, and physical simulations all depend on the model's unique training data, that is, its own visual bias. The bottom line, model bias is the built-in visual style and taste of a generative AI. Understanding the unique biases of different base models makes it much easier to choose the right tool for your project. If you enjoyed this explanation, click the link, head over to the Digital Actors AI channel, and subscribe for the latest local AI tips, glossary, and visual tricks.